Hello, people. We're done. I'm Casey. She's Collie. Hi. And she's my best friend, Piper. Hi. We're done. We're done. Yes. So, now we're gonna be posting videos every day. We're back on track. And so, yeah. We're done. Yay! I'm so happy. The happiest person alive in this house. Yay! It's like a dream come true. Yeah. Why are you zoomed into my face? Hi. I need to fix this camera. Hang on. It's fixed. Good job. Oh, I need to go. Did she just teleport? Yep. Well, anyways, guys, we're gonna be posting 3 videos a day now. Yep, every single day, because we're back on track for this summer. Yay! And we will add more series, like more stuff. Yep, sadly, Super Sunday Shoutouts has ended. Yep, so sad. Where did you... Anyway, but there will be some new ones coming, like random events and cooking with Casey and Angel and other sorts of stuff. And yeah, and don't worry, guys, BFFs and Alchemist Sorceress are still there, so don't you worry. We'll be posting probably the BFFs tomorrow and the Sorceress tomorrow as well, so yeah. Be sure to wait. Woo! Yay! And now that I have a new phone which has a pause button, dogs, shush. 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 Anyway, finally they shush. Anyway, thanks to this pause button, I can do things properly and will you just shush? I guess not. But anyway, guys, hope I get to see you tomorrow. Yay. Yeah. Seriously, you're so noisy. Hey, Did I do something wrong? Yes, you scared me. I don't care, 'cause I'm a bird. And I'm walking away. I'm walking away. You're never gonna catch me. You're never gonna catch me. 'Cause I'm a bird. Did you just seriously reference that? I don't care anymore. See ya. Aww. No one else here to talk to it. It's so sad. Oh. Hi. Bye. It's so delicious.